Privacy Armor is a proactive identity monitoring service that alerts you at the first sign of fraud and fully restores your identity. Privacy Armor provides full identity monitoring of credit transactions, credit bureau reporting, non-credit transactions, and dark web monitoring for compromised credentials. Our easy-to-use online portal and mobile app let you quickly set up the information you want monitored and respond to near real-time alerts immediately. Privacy Armor monitors many aspects of your identity. Credit monitoring through TransUnion includes your credit score, credit report, and rapid notifications about any credit activity. With data breaches and hacking on the rise, we look out for you in the furthest corners of the internet. In dark web monitoring, you can securely enter information for sensitive credentials like credit cards, passports, or driver's licenses. We'll monitor the dark web for that information and alert you should your credentials become compromised. Ensure that potential thieves don't actually make off with any of your money, and add your financial accounts to financial transactions to set thresholds, monitor bank activity, and get notified of large withdrawals or changes in balance. Your identity is also digital now, so keep tabs on your social media personas by connecting your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram accounts. Social media monitoring watches for vulgarity, cyberbullying, grooming behaviors, threats, and more. And because we know resolving identity theft can wreak havoc on your life, our privacy advocates are available 24/7 and work on your behalf to fully restore your identity. Plus, you don't have to worry about incurring any costs to fix your own identity. Our $1 million identity theft insurance policy means you have no out-of-pocket costs for restoring your identity. Protect your identity today with Privacy Armor.